Hey guys, Cam from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to show you through some amazing new rubs and sauces we have in store from Heavenly Hell Hot Sauces. Me personally, I've used these in competition barbecue as well as just cooking at home. They're really solid. One of my favorites is in the rub range is the Grilled, the Smoked, the Lovely. This I've used personally in the Steak Cook-Off Association with really great success. I love it on steak and I love it on all beef. I often put it on a brisket and garner some great results. Another really amazing one is Sweet Succulent Swine. I really like this on my pork shoulders and ribs. It's a really good base, very in depth. Like you'll find in most of these ranges from Heavenly Hell, it's really about layering that flavor. A really amazing rub that I've used on chicken as well with really great results and trophies is Rock and Roll Rooster. Now Rock and Roll Rooster is really good on chicken, amazing on chicken, but don't let that hold you back. You can use it on just about everything, really good on beef and really good on seafood. Now when it comes to the Heavenly Hell hot sauces, which what they're known for, they're award-winning. They have some really in-depth, crazy flavors going on. Now one of my favorites is Holy Grail Hog Glaze. Now, it's a bit of a mouthful. It's got first place at 2008 Scovie Awards, which is huge, really amazing on pork, hence the name. I really like it on ribs, and I really like it on my pulled pork or chopped pork. Very in-depth. Smoked honey, tamarind, and chipotle. Not super hot. It's got a little bit of a ting, like most of the sauces, but it's very in-depth. Another really amazing one has to be the Lamb Almighty. Now the Lamb Almighty garners some amazing results in competition barbecue because of how in-depth the flavors are. Now they come from fig, port and maple. Fig, port and maple, so still fairly traditional, but it's what they've done with them. Again, an award-winning sauce, second place in the Scovies. So again, an amazing sauce. Next up would have to be the Championship Candy. Now this one is one that you need in your arsenal. Cherry, orange liqueur, and chipotle. Again, amazing on ribs. Just beautiful shine on pork ribs, as well as an amazing flavor. Next along, we have the Divine Bovine. Now, I love this on burn ends. This is my burn end sauce for competition barbecue. I'm giving away some secrets there. Championship beef glaze. It's got some really cool things going on in it. I recommend it for those who want something a little bit different to their burn ends, not the traditional sweetness. Praise the Lord Championship Chicken Glaze. Now this goes very well with Rock and Roll Rooster. Not giving away any more secrets, but it could be what we use in our competition barbecue. Again, a Scovie Award winner, and a really great sauce. Check out these sauces online and in store now. They won't last, they are small batch. So once they're gone, we have to wait a little while for them to come back in. Get on it guys, and thanks for watching.